Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle two common issues that developers often face when building C# console applications, JSON Deserialization, and handling console input. These topics are crucial for any developer working with C#, as they can greatly impact the performance and user experience of your application. In this video, we'll explore the common problems that arise when working with JSON Deserialization and console input in a C# console application. We'll break down these complex concepts into simpler parts, using examples and analogies to help you understand the material better. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to handle these issues effectively. Let's start with JSON Deserialization. When working with JSON data in C#, it's common to encounter deserialization issues. One of the primary problems is that the JSON data may not match the structure of your C# class. This can lead to errors and exceptions, making it difficult to work with the data. To understand this issue better, let's consider an analogy. Imagine you're trying to put a puzzle piece into a specific spot, but the piece doesn't quite fit. That's similar to what happens when your JSON data doesn't match the structure of your C# class. The data is like the puzzle piece that needs to be fitted into the correct spot, which is your C# class. To resolve this issue, you need to ensure that the JSON data matches the structure of your C# class. Why? You can do this by using attributes such as JSON property num, key to specify the exact key in the JSON data that corresponds to a property in your C# class. Another common problem with JSON Deserialization is handling null or missing values. However, when the JSON data contains null or missing values, it can cause errors and exceptions in your application. To handle this issue, you can use the JSON Serializer Options class to specify how to handle null or missing values. Moving on to console input, handling user input in a C# console application can be challenging. One common problem is that users may enter invalid data, such as non-numeric characters, when prompted for a number. To handle this issue, you need to validate the user's input to ensure it meets the required format. Imagine you are at an airport check-in counter and you're asked to provide your passport details. If you enter incorrect information, the system will flag an error. Similarly, in a C# console application, you need to validate the user's input to ensure it meets the required format. To handle this issue, you can use regular expressions or other validation techniques to check if the user's input matches the required format. You can also use try-catch blocks to catch and handle any exceptions that may occur during the input process. So, what are they? From our discussion first, when working with JSON Deserialization in a C# console application, ensure that the JSON data matches the structure of your C# class. Use attributes such as JSON property num, key, to specify the exact key in the JSON data. Second, handle null or missing values by using the JSON Serializer Options class to specify how to handle these values. Third, when handling console input, validate the user's input to ensure it meets the required format. Use regular expressions or other validation techniques to check if the user's input matches the required format. That's all for today's video on issues with JSON Deserialization and console input in a C# console application. We hope this explanation has helped you understand these complex concepts better. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on C# another programming topic. Thanks for watching. Audit.